How to download GCash on your PC. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys a quick and easy way on how you can easily install GCash on your computer. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. So if you want to download GCash on your PC, you'll need an Android emulator because GCash is only available on Google Play Store and App Store. Now for that, I recommend you download BlueStacks. So go ahead and search for BlueStacks download on your browser and click on the first link. And once you do that, click on download BlueStacks 5. It will download the installation file, and once the installation file is downloaded, you can download the application from there. And once you open up your BlueStacks, your homepage should look something like this. And on the left side of your screen, you just want to head over to this app player. Go ahead and click on it. Now wait for your app player to load completely. And make sure to log into your account here. In a second, I'll show you. Now once your app player is completely loaded, you just want to head over to the system apps on this folder right here. You'll find Play Store. Go ahead and click on Play Store and make sure to log in with your Google account. So just wait for your Play Store to load completely, and on the left side you'll find the search bar. Click on the search bar right here and search for GCash. Once you search for it, hit enter. Now once you search for GCash, you are just going to click on this install button, and once you install the app, you can find it here. Now you will have to run the app through your emulator. So that's how you easily download your GCash on your PC. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next